Hello everybody, I want to show you the functionality of the module I have placed in OpenExchange called ZPMshow. It's a little helper around ZPM. Here we have the prerequisite is of course that ZPM is installed already, otherwise it doesn't make much sense to have a helper for it. So if I start ZPM and do a list, you see there is nothing installed in this namespace. So as a next I go to search what I want to install and get a huge list with very nice names, long names, short names. Some are descriptive, most of them a little bit less descriptive, and well, if you know exactly what you're going for, it's not a problem, but sometimes it's not so clear which one of these pretty close, with the names pretty close to each other, are really the one that you want to see. So the first I do is install my ZPMshow. Okay, here it is. I do a list. Well, it's installed exactly as expected. So I quit it. I say do ZPMshow, and now I get the same listing as by search, but in addition I also get the descriptions, which is sometimes very useful to understand which modules you have and what these modules are expected to do. Some of them are just not on GitHub. It's a problem. Or it is on GitHub and has no description. This one, number 3, is a good one with a long description. This is very verbose to explain what it does and what it is supposed to do. You get on a line, you navigate with next and back. Default is next. And now I go to install something that I know very well, as it is my own module. I install package number 20. Just in case it was a mistake, if I was not able to read from left to right in the same line, just to verify that this is what you want to install, I type yes, and it is there. I quit. I verify if it's really there. The PM list. Yes, it's there. In the same way as I install it, I can also deinstall a module. It's just the same functionality. You see there is an action uninstall. So I run my ZPMshow. I find, here is ECB job, the one that I want to uninstall. Uninstall number 20. Okay. And here we go, and it's gone. And of course, this also works also for ZPMshow itself. So I hit several enters. Sometimes it's a little bit slow if the connection to the repository is too slow. Then you see this a little bit jumping, since the commands all come directly from the repository, not only from the repository, but really from the location where your model is stored. And you see here, the last one in the line, friendly enough, is ZPMshow. I do my uninstall. I say 105. Yes, it's that one. Okay, yes. Whoops. And here we go. I do my quit. I run my ZPM list. And the namespace is empty again. I hope this is helpful to you, since I always had the problem to decode some 3, 4, 5 letter components, not really remembering exactly what it does. So have fun with it. For me, I did it mostly for myself, and I found it very useful. Thank you for your attention.